Hey, in this video, I show you how to download photos from Google Photos. Super fast and super easy. We are going to go to our Google Photos application. Photos application is here. Press in, and once you have created a backup copy and you no longer have the photo in your gallery, what we are going to do is select the photo what you want, and you can see that at the bottom a small icon with the three dots will appear. Select here and you can see option download. Press in and the photo or video is downloading, and we can go and your or gallery and you can see the photo here. This is all, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.